This whole Main Street visioning process started with just looking at the future of Valentine. Started really thinking about Main Street. Found an opportunity to apply for a grant through the National Endowment of the Arts to help bring in experts for this visioning process. Really wanted to pull out as much of the community's vision as possible. What they wanted Valentine to look, act, and feel like. The Department of Transportation sent their Director of External Affairs, their Head of Engineering, and the local district engineer. Really talked about what the scope of the project was, what the staging could look like, and what type of design elements were possible. Established a really good baseline and used that as an opportunity to implement the vision through design elements, helping people visualize different ways to enhance facades, streets, lighting, sidewalks. Used an opportunity to confirm what Valentine really wanted. My hope is that we use this to develop a stronger identity for Main Street, which will really trickle out to the entire community. And then we'll have what I think will be one of the best main streets in the country.